We start with the element of earth. We tend to the ground, merging our body with the source. We feel the viscous, heavy, lava-like energy. We tumble and fall with the pull of the gravity. Out of earth rise the woods, the trees, the mushrooms and the bamboo, all things alive. They sprout, pushing through the soil, splitting the rocks, and reaching towards the sky. All life relies on water, the one being that connects us all, the softest, yet the most resilient, the one that flows from the beginning of the time. Then there is the fire. It burns away all that does not serve anymore. It releases the old from the bondage of the time. Fire dances with joy and calls forth the vision. Finally, we arrive at the air, the effervescence. We release all forms and return ourselves to the essence.